Hello everyone. Today I want to share with you about how to connect two alignment, two or three or four alignment together and combine profile view with together. So in this drawing we can see the two alignment and we have two profile view on this drawing, and we have the file layout for one by one the file view. So we click the VT tool and click chart alignment, and we let's select the first alignment main and select another alignment one to chart. And if you have a lot of alignment, you can see you want to join alignment, you can um, select on alignment. So I click enter and click yes. If you want to join profile view and profile, you can see click the yes, and you can see the join profile view on this drawing. The second profile view to in join into profile view one.